single arm row. You're going to have a dumbbell, 6 kilos. This exercise targets your rear delt, the deltoids dorsi. That's going to come down here, with your right knee on the bench. Make sure your back is always straight all the time. If you don't want to start down, you might injure yourself. You're going to come down, focus on your breathing, go back, come up, and squeeze your foot up. Come down, squeeze. Come down, squeeze. Good, okay? Yep. Straight back. Good. Come down. Squeeze your lat. There you go. Very nice. Down. Go the other side. Head down. Up. Squeeze right here. This is where you want to focus. So right here. Down. Up. Very good.
So I felt it just my back, my lats.
Back, yeah, that's right.